Good morning, everyone. Are you ready for the beach?
Yes!
I have my swimsuit and my towel. I have my book and my sunglasses.
I have my bucket and my red shovel. Great.
The bus leaves in 20 minutes. We must not be late.
Let me check the bus app. The beach bus is number 26.
Number 26? I know it. I take that bus all the time.
Yay! Yay! Let's go!
The family is walking to the bus stop. It is a sunny day.
Look, there are many buses today. Mom, I see bus 16 and bus 25. Where is 26? It's okay. The app says it comes in 5 minutes.
Look, there is bus 29. It also goes near the beach.
The app says bus 26 goes directly to the beach.
Don't worry. Bus 29 is a shortcut. It is faster. Trust me.
Are you sure, Dad? Last time your shortcut was very bumpy.
This time is different. Come on, everyone, let's get on.
Wow, this bus is almost empty.
Yeah, only 3 people. Dad, why is the city on the other side? I don't see the sea. I can't see any beach signs.
Relax. We are just taking a different road.
Dad, look at the screen. It says airport direction. Airport? The beach is not near the airport. Dad, I think we are on the wrong bus.
Are we going to fly to the beach?
Oh, no.
I think you are right. We took the wrong bus.
It's okay. Let's stay calm and ask for help. Excuse me, driver. Does this bus go to Sunny Beach?
No, sorry. This bus goes to the airport. Thank you. I made a mistake. It happens. Listen to the announcements and follow the signs.
Mom, we will still go to the beach, right? Yes, but we must listen carefully and follow the directions this time.
Okay, everyone, this is our stop.
Look, there is a big map on the wall. The map shows bus 26 in blue. Now we wait here for bus 26, like the app says.
Dad, next time listen to the map, not your shortcut brain.
You are right, Tom. I was too confident. I didn't check properly.
It's okay, Dad. We are only a little late, and we learned something important. What did we learn? We learned to check information, not just guess.
Bus 26 arrives at the shelter. The family boards together in a calm and organized way.
Look. Now I see the sea from the window. I see the sand! And umbrellas!
This time, we are on the right bus.
Thank you, bus 26. Dad, do you still like shortcuts?
Today, I like correct routes more than shortcuts.
Next time, we can plan the trip together.
Yes.
Planning together is the best shortcut.